All right, we're on lesson 18, which is solving two-step equation word problems. Our last lesson, we were just setting them up. Now we're going to actually go ahead and solve those equations. So let's just remember when we set these up, we're going to always have a number with a letter. So that's the amount that's going to be changing. And then our constant, which is our value that's not changing, and our total. So Tony's cell phone plan costs $39 per month. Text messages cost an additional 15 cents each. If Tony's cell phone bill last month totaled $55.05, write and solve an equation to determine how many text messages he sent. All right, I'm going to go back into my sentence and figure out some of my keywords. So it says his phone plan costs $39 per month. Well, our total is down here, that $55.05. That total is in a month, so this $39 per month is my constant. Text messages cost 15 cents each. Each is a key word. This 15 cents is that rate that's changing. So it says, what are we trying to find? What do we not know? Well, it says determine how many text messages he sent. So we need to know the number of text messages. Then it says a let statement. So we're going to say let. We'll say T equal the number of text messages. Our equation is going to be our number with a letter, so that 15 cents for each text message plus the $39 they have to spend. And in total, that month, they spent $55.05. We're going to solve and check the equation, so let's rewrite it. 0.15t plus 39 equals $55.05. Take our line down our equation. We'll remove our constant first, so minus 39 on both sides. The 39s cancel. 0.15t equals, we have $16.05. And we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 0.15. They cancel. T equals 107. So they sent 107 text messages. Let's check that. So we're going to rewrite. Replace. And solve. Let's just make sure we get the same thing on both sides. And we get the same thing. So it checks. Alrighty, let's go to the next one. I'm going to have you go ahead and try this one by itself. It says Oceanside Bike Rental Shop charges $12 plus $8 an hour for renting a bike. Mary paid $45 to rent the bike. How many hours did she pay to have the bike checked out? All right, the first thing we're going to look at is our total. It says she paid $44 to rent the bike. That's our total. The bike rental shop is $12 plus $8 an hour. So this $12 is our constant plus $8 for every hour per hour. That's our rate. How many hours did she pay? Well, that's what we're trying to find. So we need a let statement. I'm going to put it up here. Let H equal number of hours. Equation. number times a letter, so 8 times h plus 12 equals a total of 44. And then we're going to go ahead and solve. So 8h plus 12 equals 44. Subtract 12 from both sides. You should get 8h equals 32. And divide both sides by 8. H equals 4. And your check, rewriting, replacing, and checking to make sure you get the same thing on both sides. 32 plus 12 does equal 44, so it checks. Next one, Tanya had her birthday party at the movies. It cost $27 for pizza and $8.50 per friend for the movie tickets. How many friends did Tanya have at her party if she spent $78? So go ahead and try this one on your own. So pause the video, and when you're all set, go ahead and check your work. $27 is the constant. You're going to spend $8.50 per friend, and the total is $78. So I'm going to say let x equal number of friends. $8.50 times x plus the $27 on the pizza totaled to $77. And now let's solve. Should get 850 equals 51 and divide by 8.5 on both sides. They cancel out. X equals a total of 6. So we're going to go ahead and check. Rewrite. And replace. And we get 78. Oops. Did I write 77 that whole time? Wow. Let me just fix that. As I do 78 in my head the whole time, but not. There we go. 78 equals 78. And we're all set. All right, that is it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.